Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to place order in AliExpress. First of all, you have to create your AliExpress account or log in to your account if you already have one. Okay, so now let's browse products to find the item that you want to order. So you can simply explore your homepage, or you can go to searching bar at the top of your screen to search for a specific item that you're looking for. For example, let's search for this one, and I want to tap on the item to open its details. And first of all, I want to check seller's rating before placing an order. So I tap name of the store right here below the photos, and I want to check percentage of the positive feedback. You always want to aim for at least 95% of the positive feedback. Okay, so now let's go back to this item, and first of all you have to check these videos and photos that seller provides you. And then go to reviews section. Always pay attention to reviews, and also at the top you should see a star rating that this item has. And pay attention to reviews with photos, because they can expose real quality of the item. Okay, so this is about reviews, and let's go to description section of this item. You can see all the specifications that this item has, so check out those and also read this description that the seller provides you. And also here are some additional photos. Okay, so let's go back here at the top, and now if I tap here, I can select my color, my size, and also quantity. Now I can press button add to cart or button buy now to proceed to checkout page. And first of all, I can select delivery service. There are two options. The first one is to select delivery to an existing address, and the second one is pickup points. The second thing that you should do is set your delivery address, so you can here add new address. You can edit your address that already has been added to your account, or you can completely delete it. But please make sure that your delivery address is correct, because you will simply not receive your package. Then let's go to payment section. So here you can add new cart and also some other options that you can choose. And also summary page right here. You can see the total amount that you have to pay, and also you can apply some promo codes here if you have your promo code. So enter it here and press apply button. And finally, when everything looks great and you are ready to order, press pay now button at the bottom side of the screen and confirm your order. After payment, you can track your item in my orders section at your account until it's delivered. And if you have some issues with your order, you can open a dispute to get a refund or replacement. So that's basically how you can place an order on AliExpress. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.